Alright, what's up gearheads? And welcome back to Shift 100. You know that feeling when you see something massive, luxurious, and unapologetically bold rolling down the street? That's the Lexus LX. It's the brand's top dog SUV, and for 2026, it's getting a little glow up, along with a price tag that's also been hitting the gym. Let's break down what's new with this land yacht. First things first, let's talk numbers because your wallet's gonna feel this. The 2026 LX now kicks off at nearly $108,000, which is about $1,100 more than last year. And if you're feeling extra fancy and want to go all in on the ultra-luxury trim, get ready to shell out a whopping $142.5 grand. So the big question is, what are you getting for that extra cash? Well, to be fair, Lexus did bake in some pretty sweet tech as standard for everyone. Every single 2026 LX now comes equipped with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. Think of it as your super smart co-pilot, with adaptive cruise control, lane tracing to keep you centered, and even proactive driving assist that can gently brake into curves. It's all about making the drive smoother and safer. On top of that, a head-up display is no longer an option, it's standard. That means your speed, nav info, and road signs are all projected right onto your windshield. No more looking down. Now, if you're the type who likes your luxury with a dose of aggressive styling, the F-Sport handling trim is calling your name. For 2026, the LX700H version gets an optional F-Sport appearance package. This hooks you up with color-matched accents, blacked-out mirror caps and spoiler bits, and a slick new ultra-white paint job. Of course, the F-Sport handling models still rock those massive 22-inch wheels, the signature mesh grille, and special performance dampers with a Torsen limited slip diff to make this big rig handle way better than it has any right to. Inside, you get a unique circuit red interior that just screams performance. If this is your jam, you're looking at about $115,000 for the LX600 version and nearly $119,000 for the hybrid LX700H. Speaking of style, if you appreciate content that's as sharp and detailed as this F-Sport trim, do us a solid and hit that like button. It's a free way to support the channel and helps us bring you more deep dives on the latest rides. But what if you're the adventurous type? The kind who sees a paved road as just a suggestion. Lexus has you covered with the Overtrail trim. For 2026, the update is a new paint color. Yep, it's called Manganese Luster. But don't let that fool you. The Overtrail is still a legit off-road beast. It comes with locking front and rear differentials, beefy 33-inch all-terrain tires on smaller 18-inch wheels for more sidewall, skid plates, and a rugged look that means business. It's ready to get dirty right off the showroom floor, starting at just under $117,000. So when you strip it all down, the 2026 Lexus LX remains true to itself. It's the biggest, most luxurious statement you can make in a Lexus showroom. The new standard tech is a welcome addition, and the cosmetic tweaks give buyers a little more to play with. But at its core, it's the same commanding and comfortable machine it was last year, just with a slightly higher entry fee. Whether those small changes justify the price bump is a decision for the person signing the check. And that's the lowdown on the 2026 Lexus LX. If you're tired of the same old boring car reviews and want the real, unfiltered take on the hottest machines on the planet, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Here at Shift 100, we don't just read you a spec sheet. We decode the hype so you're always ahead of the curve. Don't get left behind. We'll catch you in the next one.